Hey, welcome back to Never Too Old to Start. So let me tell you what we're going to do now. I'm going to show you how to take your course and actually upload the video so we can have something to be able to sell. Next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your first offer. But right now, let me just walk you through how easy it really can be to take the videos that you've done for your course and upload them so you've got a product. What I want you to do right now is go into your Kajabi platform. I'm going to show you how to upload your video. So you recorded your video for your course. You created your product, and here is mine, my first amazing course. I'm going to open that up just by clicking on it. Let's upload the video in our first lesson, lesson 1, the what. Everything is set right there. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to upload my video now. I'm going to select video, upload new file, choose file. Now I'm actually in my computer file management. So store your video in a place where it's easy for you to find it. And I'm going to be uploading the first video of my most amazing course. Now, it does take a little while for it to upload, depending on the length. So just sit back and find something else to do. You can upload one video at a time. Upload complete. Now, it's going to render. You've got to give it a little bit of time to process and render it. And there you're done. Make sure you click Save. If the visibility is on published, everyone will be able to see it. If it's on draft, no one will be able to see it yet. I would not leave without uploading an image. You're going to do the same thing. Pick an image or create something like a thumbnail. This is what everyone's going to see. Give it a chance to upload. Make sure you click Save, and you are good to go. Would you like to see what it looks like? Click on the preview. And there it is. Everything is basically ready to go. And that's why I love Kajabi. It really is just that easy. You can put in information here in the body, whatever you want. You can add downloads like the Word or PDF version or pictures. But in the meantime, you now have your first video. Usually most of my courses have a lot more than one video, so you're just going to keep doing the same thing. What we're going to do the next time is I'm going to show you now how to create your offer for the rest of the world, your first offer. And would you believe that's all there is to it? Now, again, most of your courses are going to have a lot more than 1 or 2 or 3 videos, and that is great. And I don't think they have to be long. But what you're going to want to do is make the videos. In a few tutorials, I'm going to show you how to edit them a little bit and maybe even get fancy and add a little bit of a bumper to the front or the back, because it's kind of cool. But in the meantime, I want you to be thinking about, what do I know where I could make a course that somebody might be interested in? And you're going to be surprised. There's a lot of things that you know and you have done in your life that would be a course that somebody would be willing to buy. Let's leverage that. So would you like your own Kajabi account? There's no more 28 days. They're 14 days, but still you're going to be making money. You won't care. NTOTSKajabi.com and get your free trial. But in the meantime, remember, you are never too old to start.